Are productivity apps worth it? Are productivity apps worth it? If you are a student trying to juggle academic goals and personal life, you might be wondering if these apps can really help. Let's break down how they can make a difference. Productivity apps can be quite beneficial for organizing tasks and managing time. They offer tools like to-do lists, timers, and reminders. These features help students plan their work effectively. For instance, apps that use the Pomodoro Technique break study time into focused intervals. This method includes short breaks, which can improve concentration and help prevent burnout. Some apps go beyond the basics. They offer task prioritization frameworks, like the Eisenhower Matrix, which helps you decide what tasks are urgent and important. Many of these apps can integrate with calendars and notes, making it easier to keep track of deadlines. Automation features can also save time on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what matters most. For practical examples, consider Todoist. This app lets you organize tasks by priority and even collaborate with classmates. Another app, Magical, uses artificial intelligence to automate routine online research tasks, which can save you a lot of time. Focus-oriented apps can block distracting websites during study sessions, helping you maintain a distraction-free environment. Using productivity apps can support you in setting clear academic goals and tracking your progress. This encourages accountability and helps you adjust your study plans as needed. When combined with good study habits, these apps can lead to measurable improvements in study efficiency and time management. However, the effectiveness of these apps depends on how consistently you use them. Simply downloading an app without integrating it into your daily routine may not yield the results you want. Additionally, some apps come with subscription costs, so it's wise to consider whether the features justify the expense. In general, productivity apps are worth it for students looking to improve their study efficiency while balancing academic and personal responsibilities. They provide practical tools to organize tasks, manage time, and reduce distractions. If you are ready to give them a try, you might find that they make a positive impact on your study habits and overall life balance.